Welcome to my Right Path Educare YouTube channel, the world of GK and informative videos. Dear friends, today I am presenting this GK quiz video based on important historical events and dates of August month. So, let's begin. Question number 1. Which movement was launched on August 9, 1942? Correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi launched the Quit India movement on August 9, 1942. Question number 2. Which day is observed as Hiroshima Day? Correct answer is on the 6th of August, Hiroshima Day commemorates the atomic bombing of Hiroshima in 1945. Question number 3. What is celebrated on August 12th every year? Correct answer is International Youth Day, celebrated on the 12th of August, and this day promotes awareness of youth issues globally. Question number 4. On which date is India's Independence Day celebrated? Correct answer is India's Independence Day celebrated on the 15th of August. Question number 5. Which country other than India also celebrates its Independence Day on August 15th? Correct answer is South Korea marks its liberation from Japanese rule on the 15th of August. Question number 6. Which Indian festival in August celebrates sibling bonds? Correct answer is Raksha Bandhan honors the love between brothers and sisters. Question number 7. When is Partition Horrors Remembrance Day observed in India? Correct answer is the 14th of August honors the victims of India's partition in 1947. Question number 8. Which Indian leader was born on August 20th, 1944? Correct answer is Rajiv Gandhi was born on August 20th and became India's 6th Prime Minister. Question number 9. What is celebrated on August 19th globally? Correct answer is World Photography Day is celebrated on the 19th of August globally. Question number 10. Which Indian state was formed on August 15th, 1969? Correct answer is Himachal Pradesh became a full-fledged state on August 15, 1969. Question number 11. Which day is observed as Nagasaki Day? Correct answer is the 9th of August is observed as Nagasaki Day, which marks the atomic bombing of Nagasaki in 1945. Question number 12. What is celebrated on August 29th in India? Correct answer is the 29th of August honors hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand, and this day is celebrated as National Sports Day. Question number 13. Which freedom fighter death anniversary falls on August 15th? Correct answer is Sri Aurobindo passed away on August 15, 1950. Question number 14. Which country celebrates its National Day on August 9th? Correct answer is Singapore celebrates its National Day on August 9th. Question number 15. What is observed on August 23rd globally? Correct answer is Remembrance of slave trade abolition is observed on August 23rd globally. Question number 16. Which Indian leader gave the Quit India call in August 1942? Correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi gave the Quit India call in August 1942. Question number 17. Which festival is celebrated in August with swings and songs in North India? Correct answer is Tej is celebrated in August with swings and songs in North India. Question number 18. Which Indian leader was born on August 25, 1916? Correct answer is Deendayal Upadhyaya, a philosopher and political thinker, was born on August 25, 1916. Question number 19. Which movement began in August 1920 under Gandhi's leadership? Correct answer is the non-cooperation movement started in August 1920 under Gandhi's leadership. Question number 20. Which Indian festival in August involves tying sacred threads to trees? Correct answer is Kajri Purnima is celebrated by farmers for prosperity and protection in the month of August, and it involves tying sacred threads to trees. Question number 21. Which famous Indian poet was born on August 5, 1872? Correct answer is Sri Aurobindo, a poet, philosopher, and freedom fighter, was born on August 5, 1872. Question number 22. Which Indian state celebrates its Foundation Day on August 20th? Correct answer is Assam celebrates its Foundation Day on August 20th. Question number 23. Which festival in August celebrates Lord Krishna's birth? Correct answer is Janmashtami marks the birth of Lord Krishna, and it is celebrated in August. Question number 24. Which Indian leader was born on August 10, 1872? Correct answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale was born on August 10, 1872. He was a moderate leader and mentor to Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 25. Which movement was launched in August 1905 against British goods? Correct answer is the Swadeshi movement was launched in August 1905 against British goods. Question number 26. Which Indian leader was born on August 24, 1899? Correct answer is Shivram Rajguru was born on August 24, 1899. Question number 27. Which festival around July or August is a ceremonial day observed by Hindu fishing communities in Maharashtra? Correct answer is Narari Purnima is a ceremonial day observed by Hindu fishing communities in Maharashtra. It is held on the full moon day of the Hindu month of Shravan, which falls around July or August. Question number 28. Which Indian leader gave the slogan "Do or Die" in August 1942? Correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi gave the slogan "Do or Die" in August 1942. Question number 29. Which festival in August involves fasting and worship of Lord Shiva? Correct answer is devotees fast and worship Lord Shiva during Shravan month, especially on Mondays. Question number 30. Which Indian leader was born on August 31st, 1870? Correct answer is Ramaswamy Venkataraman was born on August 31st, 1870. Friends, lights out, quiz done, but the learning never stops. Like, share, and subscribe to keep the spark alive.